Hello, my name is Alicia Seward. I am owner and attorney at Seward Law Office, PA, located in Tampa, Florida. We're a full service real estate landlord tenant law firm. And so this is going to be the second video in my What Not to Do series. And so in these series, I kind of go through a example of something a client has done in the past that was wrong. And then I kind of give you a few pointers on how you might do it correctly. So let me just first tell you that, my clients consist of a lot of landlords. So this is going to be directed to those people who are owners of property and rent it out to tenants. And so one of the biggest things I've seen with my clients who are landlords is that they don't know what to do with the security deposit. And so what happens is that they fail to send any notice or anything to the tenant once they move out. So I had a client who didn't send any notices to the tenant about the security deposit. They had to return it in full. And then later they had to sue the tenant for the damages left in the property. You don't want to do this. So I'm going to give you a few pointers on what you should do. So the first thing is that when the tenant moves out of the property, you have 30 days to send them what's called a notice of intention to impose a claim on the security deposit within 30 days if you're going to take any deductions from the security deposit. If you're not going to take any deductions from the security deposit, you have 15 days to return the security deposit in full. Now, with this notice, you are required to send it to the tenant's last known address. And so one of the things that my landlords tell me is, well, I don't have an address for the tenant. So what I often tell them is that you need to send it to the property address that where they previously lived. This is because the law supposes that when the tenant moves out, they're going to forward their mail. So you need to send the notice to that last known address, which is the property address. Another thing is that they often do incorrectly is that they just say, we're only returning this amount. You need to kind of show your deductions and your line items in your notice. So there's a few pointers on what you should do as a landlord when your tenant vacates. Again, I'm Alicia Seward with Seward Law Office in Tampa, Florida, and you can contact us if you have more questions about what to do as a landlord.